Today we're showing you how to make biltong. Start with a 1-inch thick piece of wood. Take it to your local butcher so they know the approximate size to cut out of lean beef. This is what all your ingredients should look like assembled. We start off by washing and drying the meat. Any type of vinegar will work. I like to use malt vinegar and put it in a spray bottle. Thoroughly cover all the surfaces, including the ends. Next, take half the salt and coat the meat thoroughly. Next, take the coriander and sprinkle over the meat in the same way. Finally, we sprinkle pepper over all the meat. At the end, I like to mix up the meat to make sure that all the surfaces are covered. Store it in the fridge overnight on an elevated rack. The next day, take it out of the fridge and thoroughly coat it again with the remaining half of salt. Now it's time to hang it up to dry. I pierce the meat with paper clips and use them as hangers. Use a fan if you live in a humid climate to lightly blow air on the meat. The meat should just barely quiver in the breeze. Let it dry for 7 days with the fan on. Here are some pictures of other batches while we wait. Here's what the final product looks like. Make sure to cut it with a sharp knife like salami. Don't try to bite it. Enjoy!